In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OnePlus earbuds to iPhone 15. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which model of OnePlus earbuds that you have, you will be able to easily set them up on your iPhone 15 or any other iPhone model as well. This connection will be established and you will be able to use them wirelessly over Bluetooth. You can control the volume levels and you don't need to download any additional application. It is all optional. So to establish this connection, first make sure that they are sufficiently charged. Go into the settings on your iPhone and access the Bluetooth category and double check to see if it is enabled. With Bluetooth enabled, immediately upon opening the lid on the OnePlus earbuds case, they should go into pairing mode. If they don't, look for a specific button on the case or check the manual to see how to enable pairing mode for your particular set of earbuds. Because there are plenty different models out there, I chose one to use as an example, but I cannot give you instructions for every single one. For most of them, immediately upon opening the case or the lid on the case, they should go into pairing mode. But if yours doesn't, like I said, just search for specific instructions. By doing this, the OnePlus earbuds should immediately appear under the list of available nearby devices. So all that you have to do is select them. They will now go under your devices, meaning that they are connected and ready to be used for any sort of app. So all audio that comes through applications, games, calls, and so on will go to the OnePlus earbuds and you will be able to use them on your iPhone 15. It is simple to set up. They will remain connected until they run out of battery, and this will be done automatically. So you don't have to manually set them up every single future time. If you connect them once, they should automatically connect themselves for the future. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect OnePlus earbuds to iPhone 15. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.